Cute. That's so cute.
Fish というね。で、こちらからスチームが出ます。OK です。で、こちらで召し上がってください。スプーンでね。はい。ありがとう。はい。ありがとう。
This is a fire stove.
Ah, okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Very cute. Thank you. Maya-maya be. Pag yan daw ay, anong mangyayari? Di ba? Pag nag-steam. Anong klase yan? Pagpapati. Hindi. Ibig ko sabihin, anong klaseng sabaw?
Oh,
Sabaw ba yan? Tingnan mo dyan.
this is their earthenware plate, I think. Deep fried sea bass dressed with starchy kuzu sauce. No, yeah. An earthenware plate used instead of pan garnish of Japanese ginger. Wow.
Paano malalamang luto na?
Naman yan.
Yung kay Kuya Jet.
Wow!
Umuusok na. Ganda.
May iisang pampatay, ano?
Yeah.
Oo. Pagtapos na. Ang ganda ng kanilang pampatay.
When do we know when to...
May kinain akong dakon.
It's made. Oh no, it's from the thing. I think it fell out of it when you opened it.
Sarap ng dahon.
Oh, let's try this.
Wow!
This is what they call the
Pag umuusok na raw dito, ng marami, tsaka tatanggalin.
Wow, this is jelly.
Sarap mahal.
Yeah. Parang pickle. Na gelatin.
Kaya na, kay Jojo. Wow.
Deep fried sea bass dressed with starchy kuzu sauce.
This is scallop.
Really?
Ang dami pa daling gagawin.
You haven't gone to dessert. You know it's done with dessert.
This is pickled. Pickled.
Wow, look at
Japanese love
this.
pickled cucumber. Ang dami itinitinda dati doon sa club.
The one in the stick?
No, nasa stick ba yun? Basta isang buong
I know, yeah.
pickled.
Was it a stick?
Mm.
Ang dami natin nakain ngayon maghapon. Grabe. Kumain tayo ng breakfast na heavy. Kumain tayo ng spicy fried chicken. Kumain tayo ng yung chocolate
Ang sarap na pagkain
na
na.
mochi. Ano yun?
Actually, tell us when to pull out the phone. I don't know when to. I don't know when to.
Pwede na, bebe?
Okay.
Mm. Huwag mo muna patayin.
No?
Hindi ko. Pag natapos ka na niyang magkuha ng sabaw, tatali mo yan dito eh.
Di ka naman nila wala man lang tayong sobra eh. Para man nila, wow. Ang sarap sila sa luto natin.
Oh, yeah, it's good.
Wow.
Totally popular.
Dikit na.
Dad, be careful. I better turn off my.
Ayoko na ito. Be?
Lagay mo dyan.
Mine is off. So, you want to turn it off?
Sarap.
Grabe oh. May spoon rest pa rin.
Spoon. Oh,
Wow.
this way.
Sarap.
Uy, patayin ko na.
Right there. Right there. Just place it over. This would be careful, yeah. There we go.
You have to turn it off right now. Too much.
Gaganito ba ito? Grabe oh.
Sarap.
Oh, dumikit ka. Wow. Ito na may lutong-lutuan. Ito na may lutong-lutuan.
Stop.
There you go. Paano mo, bebe?
Isda. Wow, para siyang kuwan ah. Ano yung bird's nest?
Oo, bird's nest. Sarap.
Sunog na sunog.
Wait to try it out. Just good.
Gulay pala yun.
Look at this.
Isda, walang kalansa-lansa.
Sarap. And the soup?
Gelatin ah.
And the soup is?
It's a soup.
That's it.
It's
Yeah.
fried,
Deep fried sea bass.
deep fried sea bass.
Oh, okay. That's why it's so good too.
Deep fried.
Lovely.
The soup will be like.
Okay.
There's
There's more
three
coming, honey.
3 more.
Hindi na makahinga, honey.
Soup.
Then after that, dessert.
Soup. Pickles. Dessert na.
That's it.
Boiled beans. Cubes of agar gelatin.
We finished everything in this. Ang sarap kasi, ano?
Dad, put back the.
Yeah.
So they can when they clean.
Bebe, ang takip daw. Balik mo na.
Gusto mo yung laro pag na ganito?
I think that's not a toy, that's all. That's not a toy.
Bebe, can you buy me a toy like this?
That's nice though.
I know. Maganda rin sa aking tsaka daddy, ano? Pwede pala yung aking tea. Daddy, tea, kuhan. Tapos bibili na lang ng gana rin. Ano? Bibili ng ganito. Kasi meron na akong tea, kuhan eh. Ano?
Yung kandila. Pero kailangan niya malakas. Apoy yung
Ay,
malakas.
oo nga. Ano yun? Bebe?
Ibon na kumakain.
Okay, so.
Yan ba idasalan?
Parang. Tingnan natin mamaya ang meaning.
Alam mo po ang bahay mo ganito. Ang daming bisitang makakahiga. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat. Dini, ang lima ikuan eh. Mga apat din eh. Apat. Ay, apat, dalawa, anim. Ito yan.
Soup na ito. Wow. Ito na soup.
お湯入れといてくれる？お茶っ葉と。ホッティーです。こちらに置かせていただきます。デザートお持ちします。
Okay.
Oh, what's na to?
Tea. Oh, it's so black and that's so black. Rice.
I'm so full now.
Paborito kong suso.
Wow, what's this?
The rice is so good.
Is this mushroom? Ah, hindi.
Tofu.
Tofu ko nga pala to.
Miso.
Parang tofu skin.
Yeah, gently boiled soybean milk. We blend in miso. Oh.
Ang haba.
What is it?
Miso, hindi. Kuwan to. Skin. Tofu skin.
Fresh. Oh.
Tofu skin to.
Oh yeah, from the skin of gently. Yeah.
Kaya ang
Ito
haba.
naman ay pickles. Lasang bulaklak.
Which one?
Itong black na to.
Oh, we ate this yesterday.
Oo nga, oo.
I remember this.
Lasang bulaklak, oh.
Oh shit.
Hindi ko na kaya.
Yeah. You give up that one?
No.
You're not good.
No, me like. And I...
That's all?
I sleep for a while.
Don't worry. The last one is
Dada,
good.
and I sleep while you're eating. I'm so
Last na.
wake me up when wake me up when Manang comes. I'll just take a nap.
This sounds super good.
Sarap ang soup.
My gosh, that's so so good.
Kailangan makalublob na sa kwan. Ano to ko na, Daddy? Ano yun?
Oh, more soup. No,
Yeah.
sorry, more rice.
Ah, rice. Happy anniversary.
Anniversary.
Ano yan?
Wow, ang ganda.
Ano i-teach?
Medyas.
Ah, medyas na pang kuwan, pang paa.
Dalawa.
Oh, medyas na pang paa. Ay, saan ba't talaga yun? Saan ba't ginagamit ang medyas? Ang ibig ko sabihin, medyas na pang isang lalaki. Apat na.
No.
Ipakita mo, Daddy. Ipakita mo ibig ko sabihin. Medyas. Medyas na pang...
That's who said we got socks for the feet.
You have socks to the head.
No, ang ibig ko sabihin, socks na pang isang panghilalaki at pang-apat na daliri. Yung ginamit natin kanina. What's that, Jajet? Wow, can you show it to us?
Yes.
Oh, I like
Ah, black may coins.
Keep my cash.
Wow.
Oh, no, it's the same.
Ay, may wallet na rin ako. Doon ko nilalagay
I
sa...
wanted a wallet too.
Wow.
Ganda. Ganda na design.
I like it. Yeah. Okay, so yours is definitely
Very
more
Japanese.
for grill. I wish they put inside the film 10,000 yen.
We're
Dessert
waiting
na
for
lang,
our
ano?
last menu for the night, which is the dessert. And
The
this
dessert
lady,
is-
and this lady wants
wanna
to sleep now. She's so full. What's-
Dessert is
Ayan na.
Mizumuno.
Oh,
It's, mamimili ka pala eh. Cut fruits o...
mm-hmm.
Iyak naman.
Finally. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
Number 11.
So cute, the photos.
Beautiful colors.
The photos are very colorful.
Okay.
I will take a photo. Focus yun.
And thank you for the gifts. Thank you. And the food, very good. Oishi. All food.
私たちはあとですね、お布団、I'll bringお布団。
Okay.
お布団は、this room、
Uh-huh.
あっち、
あー
どうしましょう。じゃあ
Maybe here.
Two?
Right here.
And one over there. One over there.
ありがとうございます。
Yeah.
後でします。
Okay. That's good. Okay. Ano, bakit?
Hindi, kasi yung nga, sabi niya kung dito.
Oy, hiwalay nyo na si Jajet.
Isang kuha na lang.
Hindi, pabaya mong hiwalay si Jajet at nang siya ikaw.
So, you guys can have your own privacy. Oh, wait, I need to take a picture.
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful.
This is red bean.
Which is the red bean? Oh, this one.
Mm.
This is bilo-bilo.
And what this?
This is bilo-bilo.
Cherry?
This is
Honey?
bilo-bilo. Cherry.
Is it?
They love bilo-bilo.
Boiled beans, cubes of agar, cubes of agar gelatin, and other delicacies with molasses and poured on. I wonder what this is. Is it cherry or something?
Cherry.
Is it?
Yeah.
The cherry is like
And this
not
one,
red.
honey, what kind of orange this?
Just the mandarin.
Mandarin?
Mandarin or tangerine. Is it sweet?
Dami. Lovely.
And this is agar. Agar cube.
Agar.
Which is the
Gelatin.
agar? Ah, that's the agar.
This is the gelatin.
Agar.
Kumain siya matcha.
Okay, let's do this.
The last one.
Wow.
Not
One of
bad.
my.
Parang ang happiness ni Manang mag-ganito, mag-serve.
That's all? You want my ball?
Kasi parang sa lahat
Okay
ng
na.
video, yan ang nagsiserve eh. May mga taong ganun eh. May nakita ako, may napanood akong Japanese na talagang gusto niya ikuha.
To start.
Tingnan natin mamaya yung dalawa dyan. Kung hindi magpapatulong.
I'm gonna sleep here.
Oh, thank you, Lord. This is beautiful.
We ate a lot. They gave us so much food.
So much food, yeah. Look at those.
I cannot stand anymore. I cannot stand that element.
Set menu is like, let's say, $300, right? For the three of us, it's $900 already.
Alright.
It's like a board and lodging. That's very, very cheap.
Well, it's 1,006.
It's cheap. We have also breakfast for tomorrow. Oh my.
I'm cool, huh? I
Yeah.
need the two bulbulok.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, this is good.